Welcome back, dear students. So today we start with a new chapter, S block elements. Now once again, when we start with any block elements chapter, you have to recollect periodic table. That's why I have a skeletal structure of periodic table here, a tiny one, just to remind you how a periodic table looks. Okay, and now we have studied from the lower standard about these blocks. So S block elements belonging to first group and second group in the periodic table, and today we are going to cover first group elements. But before that, first of all we have to define S block elements. So what are S block elements? The elements which are belonging to first group and second group are called S block elements. ये एक सिंपल डेफिनेशन हो गया. हाँ, दूसरा डेफिनेशन हम क्या दे सकते हैं? The elements in which the valence electrons are present in the s orbital are called S block elements. इन दोनों में से आप कौन सा भी डेफिनेशन लिख सकते हैं, आपको मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. ओके, सो आफ्टर डिफाइनिंग S block elements, their general electronic configuration is NS1 or 2. Okay, NS1 to 2. ओके, मतलब NS1 ने तो NS2. अगर ग्रुप 1 के एलिमेंट्स है तो NS1 और ग्रुप 2 के अगर एलिमेंट्स है तो NS2. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया उनका जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, जहाँ पे N क्या है? प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर. पढ़ाया था ना मैंने, प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर N, और उनके वैल्यू क्या है? 1 2 3, ये उनके वैल्यूज है. सो विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स. हाइड्रोजन इज एन एक्सेप्शन because it can act as a metal as well as non-metal, so it is an exception. Leave hydrogen, start from here. Lina K RBCs फरार. लीना के RBCs फरार. इन निमोनिक्स है, सेंटेंसेस आप क्रिएट करके भी सीरीज को याद रख सकते हैं. लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीसियम एंड फ्रांशियम. These are the names of the elements and these are the symbols of these elements. Okay, now here we have their atomic numbers. Okay, lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19, rubidium 37, cesium 55, francium 87. Okay, and you know the pattern now because already we have completed p block element. So you know the pattern now. After writing down the atomic numbers, you have to write down the electronic configuration for all these elements. So you practice that at home following the Ampere's principle. आप इन सब के लिए इनके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस लिखेंगे. ओके, नाउ वी स्टार्ट विद द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ओके, इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ S block elements. First one, atomic radius. Okay, already we have defined atomic radius, the distance between center of the nucleus and outermost shell. It's called atomic radius. So moving down the group, atomic radius will increase because atomic numbers are increasing, number of shells, orbits are increasing, so automatically atomic size will increase. Ionization enthalpy, this also already I defined in my last lecture. So ionization enthalpy, energy required to remove the electron from the outermost orbit of an atom, that is ionization enthalpy. Okay, so here moving down the group, ionization enthalpy will decrease because nuclear charge is decreasing. न्यूक्लियर का अट्रैक्शन होता है ना आउटरमोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के लिए, वो कम हो जाता है, कम हो जाता तो बाहर के जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं उनको इजीली हम रिमूव कर सकते हैं, ज़्यादा एनर्जी नहीं लगता है, मतलब आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी कम हो जाता है. सो मूविंग डाउन द ग्रुप आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी विल डिक्रीज. Electropositivity, this also we have defined in my last lecture. I have defined electropositivity means the tendency of an atom to lose electron very easily, then they are highly electropositive, and here these elements are highly electropositive. The group 1 elements are also called alkali metals. Alkali metals, they have only one electron in the outermost shell which can be lost very easily, so energy required is very less, so ionization enthalpy is decreasing. Electropositivity means tendency to lose electron is very fast, so electropositivity is very high for these elements in the periodic table. The highest electropositive elements are alkali metals, that is group 1 elements. Then photoelectric effect, very interesting this one. Okay, you have studied in physics also. Okay, photoelectric effect means when these elements are exposed to light, when these are exposed to light, so the single electron which is present in the outermost shell will absorb that light, get excited. Okay, it will get excited. Okay, and it will go to excited state, and when it is coming back to the ground state, it will emit light. Okay, so these electrons are going to emit light. That's why the word is photo. Photo means light. Okay, electric. So the energy absorbed can be in the form of light or electricity, whatever. Okay, so photoelectric effect. So the electrons are getting excited after absorbing any kind of energy. Okay, and they go to excited state, and when they come down, they will emit light. That's why the effect is called photoelectric effect, and the electrons are called photoelectrons. Electrons को क्या कहते हैं? Photoelectrons. Okay, so these were the 4 main characteristics of S block elements. Okay, now we start with the chemical reactions of S block elements. So first reaction with air. This one is air. Okay, air which is a mixture of different gases. Oxygen is not present in the pure state. So when sodium will react with oxygen, you get sodium oxide, Na2O. Okay, and when sodium will react with pure oxygen, purely synthesized oxygen, you get sodium peroxide. Now the next reaction with hydrogen. N can be any metal. Okay, any metal from these elements. M can be sodium, M can be lithium, whatever. So M react with hydrogen here. First we get hydride, metal hydride, sodium hydride, lithium hydride, like this. So 2 MH balanced. Next one is metal reacting with water. So metal reacting with water, they will give hydroxide. Okay, they will give hydroxide. So we have to balance this equation, because 2 hydrogens here and 2 here, 4. So 2 here, and oxygen, okay, already balanced. So we balance the reaction. Okay, do the balancing, practice the balancing. Metal reacting with halogens. When metal will react with halogen, X2, X means halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Metal will react with halogens to give metal halide. Okay, and the next one, the last one, is reducing character. Now alkali metals have a strong tendency to lose electrons very easily. Okay, and when the elements are having this particular tendency to lose electrons very easily, they are acting as a good reducing agent. That means they are having the best reducing character. Losing electron को डोनेट कर देना इजीली, मतलब वो क्या है? गुड reducing agents. Okay, so this was all about the chemical properties. Okay, so introduction, characteristics, chemical properties. Okay, and now the anomalous behavior of lithium and compounds of sodium, means sodium carbonate, washing soda, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Okay, and few more compounds. Okay, I told you the pattern how to keep in mind. Anomalous behavior, any four anomalous behavior, any four you can select from your side and study. And compounds of sodium, in that I told you should know the name of the compound, molecular formula, and then methods of preparation, two methods of preparation, and then chemical reactions. Okay, whatever number of chemical reactions they are given, you write in practice, and then uses for those compounds. Okay, so practice is well. Any doubts, clear your doubts in the group, just message me, then I'll clear your doubts. Okay, so next time we'll start with the group 14 element, group 14 1 4, and the chapter will be over. Okay, तो ध्यान से पढ़ो, लेक्चर को ध्यान से समझो, वॉच केयरफुली. Okay, study carefully, slowly study, steadily you just go through the chapter and my PDF which I am going to send, okay, today only. So that's all for today. We'll continue in our next lecture. Take care. Thanks.